Room 3218. This is building 3 of the 50 section. See, the dining table will turn into a Murphy bed. We'll show you that. You have a storage center with the refrigerator, flat screen, drawers, queen size bed. The nice thing with these rooms is, number one, you have storage under the bed, which really is invaluable, and there's tons of outlets and UVB plugs. This is in-room safe, as well as shelving. This is a connecting room, so you can have 2 rooms together, can be requested. Small closet area, but another nice feature of the room is the pole extends. Again, lots of storage, which is fabulous. And then here's an overview of the room. And it's just a matter of pulling the chairs out. The chair's loose. And then this becomes a Murphy bed. So this is a standard view room, which just has views of the lake. And again, building 3, floor 2 of the 50 section.